In this video, I'll show you how to delete page in Word. So this video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. There are 4 pages right here. There are 4 pages. So if you love to delete it without wasting much time, just select the page you want to delete. So I'm going to select this page. Click Control Backspace. I just deleted the first page. Come on here again. Control Backspace. Okay. Control Backspace. Deleted the second page. Come on here. Control Backspace. Control Backspace. Deleted the third page. Let's come on here. Control Backspace. Okay, so this you have to select it. Control back page. So you can see it's remaining one page here. It's remaining one page. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, Control Backspace. Control Backspace. Control Backspace.